Okay, so the first thing I want to talk about is joins and relationships and how having the proper AI context for joins and relationships is going to give you more reliable and accurate responses when you're getting responses from Bobby or any kind of analytics agent. So I've got it pulled up in our sample sales data where there's some pretty basic joins that are already in there. Um, there's one on accounts, one on activities, and there's a join from the opportunities to the accounts because the opportunities belong on accounts, and then there's the join from the opportunities to the activities because the activities are associated with the opportunity. Um, and I'm going to take a sample question where I say, what is our total MRR by segment? And even though I know I have this data in my schema, um, I'm going to show the before and after of what happens if I add the proper context and the proper joins for Blobby to be able to do this. So um, at first, I get it's searching through the YAML to see what's going on. Doesn't quite know, and it says I don't see an MRR or monthly recurring revenue field anywhere in the model. Here's what exists. It says account has a segment dimension, but no revenue field. And sales pipeline has an amount field on opportunities, and that's a deal opportunity amount, not a recurring revenue. Okay, so let's take a look at what happens when we go out and add in that additional context in this join. So this will be in the materials if you want to copy paste this or walk through this on your own. But essentially, this just goes through and adds in an additional join and adds in the relationship between the accounts and the subscriptions, where we have this additional join down here that says training accounts join to subscriptions, always left, and it's on account ID and one-to-one. This might be a bit more complex if you have like multiple subscriptions on an account at your company, but that's not what we're dealing with here. So that's really all that was added, as well as saying that we want to have subscriptions in the joins. Now, I'm going to go back and kick off a new session with Blobby and refresh this, see if I can get it in the same branch. Cool. So we're in the same branch. This means that Blobby is going to benefit from the changes that I made to this particular topic. I go and paste that same question. Great. So you can see the difference already in the answer that we're getting because basically all we're doing is just telling um, telling AI how to do this join so that if somebody else comes in and asks this question or a similar question, they're going to have that join path already in there to get the accurate data and get the results that they want.